Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy guys once again. So I have some really important piece of information to share with all of you. From 15th of September, we are going to start a new batch, that is the Outshine batch on Unacademy Plus. Okay, and what is this batch regarding? It is going to be complete practice for all of you for the whole syllabus. We are going to discuss physical chemistry by Nurul Huda sir. I will be discussing organic and inorganic. Kripa Sindhu sir, once again, organic chemistry. So basically, this course is going to be based on practice, in which we are not only going to do the previous year question, along with that, our major focus is going to be on new future potential questions, right? So these new questions are what you get common in the CSI net examination when you attempt it, and this helps you in scoring maximum marks, right? So this is the last batch which we are launching for practice, and for all of those students who are done with studying enough of these subjects, you can directly join up for practice. Okay. Yes, and now what else is most important, that is the offers which are going on an academy right now. So this is going to be a special price week. That is, if you are usually, when you apply the code Jagriti S, that is my referral code, to subscribe to an academy plus, you usually get a 10% discount. But here, for 1 week from 13th to 17th of September, so for all of these subscription packages for 6 month, 12 month, and 24-month subscription package, through the same code, you are going to be eligible for 15% extra. So that is 15% and 10%, 25% total discount you are having. Okay. So that is only valid for 1 week. And your course is also starting from 15th of September. So I think that the date falls exactly in between. So if you want to subscribe, if you are interested, then you can use the code and join as soon as possible. And not only are you going to get the practice course, as you know that when you are joining an academy plus, you will be able to get access to all the previous courses which are already done in the form of recordings. So yes, you will get a lot more extra than just this practice course, right? Okay, so also guys, I want to inform you about one more thing, that is daily 10 a.m. I am having some free classes, free practice classes going on an academy. Now, right now, what are the topics going on? Organic reagents, name reactions, heterocyclic chemistry, all of these classes are going on. They're all free. We call them special classes. Where would you get the link of these classes? In the Telegram group. And you have the link of the Telegram group in the description below. So please visit that and also join the group for regular notifications, right? And yes, once again, don't forget to use the code Jagriti S, not only to subscribe but also to unlock the free classes. The free special classes also you can unlock through the same code without paying anything, right? Okay, everyone. So I will now see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching.